Hi guys, how have you been? Today's recipe is truffle fried rice with seafood, umami rich flavor. It's a fancy rice dinner, but not complicated because it's super easy to make at home. After a long, tired, and busy day, kind of a great idea to treat yourself to flavor in this. This recipe is so impressive with minimal effort. You will enjoy this so much. So let's get started. What a nice dinner. The flavor is so powerful. It was delicate, umami rich, and get so much flavor from the seafood. You will adore this. I hope you are going to try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching today. I will see you soon.